This is Chilika, my home. My journey began here, amidst nature's purest forms. From an island boy to a world cuisine chef, every flavor I have mastered has a story to tell. Michael's kitchen was just the beginning, bringing world flavors to Odisha. Now, it's time to bring the world to my home. Michael's Island Resort, a picturesque boat ride from Satapara, swimming along with the dolphins. Where luxury meets nature, immerse in nature's embrace. Relish Chilika's treasures. Live the island life, empowering my community, sharing our stories with you. Come, experience Chilika through the eyes of a local. Michael's Island Resort. Back to home, back to nature.